Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable or enable shadow under active Windows on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Click on open it. Select advanced tab and under performance select settings. Here you can able to see the options guys. Show shadow under mouse pointer, show shadows under windows. If you want to disable one of these, select disable and select apply for changes take effect. The window shadow will be disappear guys in here, but if you enable this show shadows under windows, if you enable it, the shadows will be back guys. As you can see here, the shadows has been back. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.